the issue between Chinwe and Onyeka's sister, which is Chizoba, don't cause serious wahala between Zion and Chinwe. That's the zinwe chip. So her anger now is that her boyfriend didn't support what she said or how she reacted based on what went on between her and Onyeka's sister. Do you understand? So now, so this girl just started telling the DJ Florence how she carried the load of trying to do this pair thing when they auditioned, how she paid for their flight. Oh, she released so many informations that I can't really put everything because of, restrictions on YouTube. So she said a lot of things. I was like, why will you cast your boyfriend like this to the point of reducing him to zero? That you were carrying a lot of things just to make sure you don't disturb the guy. Omo, I just hope that this ship doesn't break before they leave the house, guys. But let's see what the commenters had to say about this. So this person said, this is one thing I don't like about my gender. Must you tell people how you spend on your man? This girl is a red flag and that boy is weak. When you were dating a Benin boy, you don't know. Hey guys, but is it necessarily okay to see all these things on national TV? I guess she's just pouring out her emotions though. So this person said they must be unpaired so that we can save Zion. He has so much potential to showcase in the show. If he can as an individual, he was gonna be a top 5. She said a lot. Which one be I paid for our flights? You see that thing I'm saying, guys? This person said even if you look at her, you will know that she's the one catering for the boy. We saw it coming. That relationship was cut after. That's the drama we all wanted. But Chinwe is real, not a fan of her. He needs it more than you do, but you carry auditions and everything preparation for head. Shy, some girls they carry do small fallout, mouth don't lose. First break up in biggest house, anticipate. Omo, you talk too much. A woman should have mouth control. Well, you see that thing I'm saying. I just hope she realizes and then gets control of her emotions, because she's already spilling a lot, and it will make the guy to just be on his shadow, or maybe crawling on eggshells. And this thing happened because of Onyeka's sister. And meanwhile, in the attacks today, Shekers, Onyeka's group won. And it wasn't even going well with her. You can even see that in the picture in the video. So my people, I just say make I show now this one. I just say make I come on eye for the show now. So these bus don't already start. I just I hope that they sort out their differences. And thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video, and please stay glued. Always comment, and let's grow together. And for the new ones, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you guys so much for always stopping by. And just always know I can come with the boss boost, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.